comparing nowadays, the uses of gadgets increasing day by day. The gadgets are like iPhones, iPads, mobiles, tablets. So the gadgets are increasing day by day. Especially the mobile phone users are rapidly increasing. Due to this high usage of mobile phones, there is a high radiation will be there. Because of this high radiation, there are many negative health problems on humans as well as environmental effects. But the very appreciable thing is that the technology has reached to very remote areas of globe. So we could even see the mobile phone users in slum areas also, in footpaths, everywhere. If we compare past and present network connections, earlier we have telephone network connections. There we have very less number of base stations and telephones. But because of high population, we need many mobiles as well as very number of base stations. Due to this, the radiation is increasing earlier to present situation. So actually, what is mobile phone radiation? In which the mobile phone radiation is a process in which the mobiles can absorb the energy in the form of radio electromagnetic waves, and the mobiles can dissipate the radiant energy in the form of heat. So due to this high heat problem, the radiation increasing, and due to this there are many negative health problems on humans as well as environmental effects. So if we come to negative health problems on humans, there are many negative health problems are there, like fatigue, headaches, loss of sleep, memory loss, ringing ears, like joint pains and DNA damage. The mobile phones can cause tumors also, cancer tumors. And compared to adults, the mobile phone radiation affects more in children. How mobile phone radiation penetrates the brain. If we take the 5-year-old, 10-year-old people and adults, in 5-year-old people there is a skull thickness is very low. Because of high sensitivity of skull thickness, the children can absorb the more radiant energy compared to adults. Coming to environmental effects, there is extinction of birds like house sparrows, honeybees, and coming to environmental effects, metals and chemicals, wastage of mobiles due to nutrients. Nutrients means the people are very attracted to new features, so they are going with demands whatever there in our market. And how to avoid mobile phone radiation, like minimize the duration of use speaker phones or headset, limit use of phones by children, and avoid leaving the near base stations, and never use a cell phone when conventional phone is available, and prefer only high quality mobile. High quality mobiles means all the China mobiles are very low quality mobiles which can radiate more radiation. And do not prefer dual SIMs. Dual SIM means there is a double effect radiation is there, and SAR value of any mobile cannot exceed 1.6 watt per kg. And we can also see here the few models of SAR values. Here it is a very low radiative mobile, and here there is a 1.6 means is near to 1.6 watt per kg means it's very harmful, but it's not exceeded, also it's very harmful. So by this explanation I can conclude that radiation is everywhere. We can't completely reduce it, but by following above instructions which are given there, we can avoid radiation from the exposure of high exposure of human brains of the radiation. And how much technology increases is not important. The increase in technology should not have a negative impacts on humans. That is the main thing. So I can conclude it by this.
What's your ambition?
My ambition about my future are I want to be a collector.